Video the other day about this error message, and I thought I had found the answer for it. It's where in iTunes a song could not be played because the original file could not be found, and then you get this locate thing, and then it basically doesn't work. So in the video I made, I'll play it after this. I kind of thought that it was OneDrive because basically what OneDrive does is it makes a copy of everything. So often it'll be making a copy of your documents, pictures, and music onto the cloud, and then it will also try and remove them from the local computer. So what I did was go and turn all that off. And then I thought after I've done that, it'll be fine, but it still didn't work. So what I think you have to do is turn it all off in OneDrive or whichever cloud service you've got backing up your music. So turn it all off and then start again, drag in all your tracks into iTunes or rip your CDs again and start again. And then going forward, I think it's much less likely to happen because I do think it is cloud storage doing it, because I think iTunes is a bit fussy. I think it makes an index of all the tunes, and then even if, you know, when OneDrive removes them from the local computer, it kind of leaves placeholder file names, which they're not the actual track until you've double clicked on the track, and then it'll download it. So I think that just messes up the way iTunes indexes the whole library. So if you turn it off and then start again and see what happens, I'm yet to see the customer, so I don't know how he's getting on yet. So, but I think it's worth doing anyway. I think it's worth turning off the cloud storage, backing up your music, and then see if that makes it so you don't have the problem again. Okay, I should be able to play the video that I made the other day after this, but I've basically just told you what is in it. Okay, take care. Make them available on the machine. So if I right click on music, yeah, there it is. I put a tick there, always keep on this device. So what that means is the files are locally on the device, on the computer, and in the cloud. So you're not deleting anything, you're just choosing to have them in the cloud and local on the device. And then you let that happen, and it's going to take a while. If it's, in this case, it's 10,000 odd tunes. So I've got to wait till there's a green tick there. And then in theory, all of his tracks should play. So I've seen a lot of other people online asking the same kind of question. Why is it doing that? And how do you sort it? So yeah, so it does seem that OneDrive will start uploading them and then take them off the local device, and hence iTunes or whatever cannot actually play them, because although it looks like they're there, they're just kind of placeholders until they're actually downloaded. So even now it's still not finished doing it, because that iTunes folder has still got the syncing icon next to it. You've got a little OneDrive folder there as well, which you can right click on and probably look at things, look at the progress, and look at your account and that kind of thing. Okay, hope it helps. All the best.